Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to reset your POF account's password when you've forgotten it during the login process. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's begin. Start by tapping open your POF application from your app drawer. And soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. In order to log in, tap on the login link at the bottom of the screen. Now, enter your username or your email in the first text field. Soon after you do that, if you remember your password, you can type it in the password text box, but if you don't, tap on I forgot my password link right below the login button, and on the next page, you'll need to enter an email address in order to reset your password. Type in the email address that is associated with the account and tap on Reset Password. After you tap on Reset Password, an email with instructions on resetting your password will be sent to the following email address. Click open the email that you receive and tap on Reset Password. Now, enter a new password that you'd like to reset to and type in the new password one more time on the next field. Make sure to match both of the passwords in the text boxes, and if you'd like to double check a password, you can tap on the eye icon to reveal the password. Finally, after everything is done, tap on Update Password right below and you'll be able to update your password and reset to a new password on POF. Next time you log into your account, type in the new password that you just reset to after typing in your credentials. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.